Black Friday is just around the corner, and for direct-to-consumer brands, it's the ultimate opportunity to boost sales and connect with customers. But how can you stand out in the crowded marketplace? In this Black Friday DTC marketing guide, we'll share some strategies to help your brand shine this Black Friday season. We'll talk about pre-Black Friday preparations, Black Friday advertising strategy, and post-Black Friday actions in this video. Let's split the preparation into two parts, general prep and website prep. For the general preparation, you'll obviously need to set up clear goals for the outcome of this campaign. Define specific objectives for your Black Friday to guide your direction and resource allocation, based on your goals on the past data or your team style, and break them down into actionable steps. You'll also have to make sure your business is internally ready, ensure your budget is sufficient and appropriately distributed, verify reliability of your supply chain, warehousing, and logistics, confirm the stability of your customer service, website functionality, and payment channels. And very importantly, have a plan B ready when things go south. Next, let's talk about prepping your website for Black Friday campaigns. Offer general discounts like site-wide discounts up to 30% off or free shipping offers, or spend X amount to save Y amount. It is also common to bundle up items to combine top-selling products or pairing complementary items together, or offer buy one get one 50% off. You can also allow your VIPs to gain early access to your discounts and deals. Early access helps lock in customer budgets and boost conversion. Plus, consider additional functionalities to enhance customer experience by offering installment payments for high-ticket items or lucky draws to encourage spending by offering entries into prize draws. Plan these deals ahead of time to maximize every conversion. Add Black Friday themes and banners to your website. Create dedicated pages to showcase featured products, deals, and bundles. And ensure all tracking, payment system, and offer links are working properly. With all preparations in place, let's focus on drafting an effective advertising strategy for Black Friday. Let's talk about budget allocation and ad structures. We recommend to allocate 50% towards new customer acquisition, 40% to retargeting engaged users, and 10% to retargeting past customers. For the ad structure, check them out over here. And of course, you'll have to update your creative designs too. Use both video and image creatives to maximize engagement. Optimize creatives by adding Black Friday elements to top-performing creatives from the previous campaigns. Some additional tips for Black Friday ad strategy. First, test early. Upload ads early to avoid delays in the review process. Second, 24/7 monitoring. Ensure team availability to resolve issues in real time. Third, optimize ads, scale up budget for high-performing ads. Lastly, post-Black Friday actions you should take. Identify successful offers and creatives. Analyze what worked to optimize future campaigns. You can also extend deals by continuing Black Friday deals through the weekend or into Cyber Monday. Then you can refresh ad promptly, update website content, and add to highlight Cyber Monday offers. And that's your 2024 Black Friday DTC marketing guide. Thanks for watching to the end. If you like the content we shared today, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!